Not with that stink face though. Like, it's weird. I look weird. Looking awkward. Looking like my head is super small. Am I looking ashy in this video? I don't love this blush. I won't be using this blush again. I don't love it. Okay. So, what's next? What do you guys want to see next? Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I did this like fally green look for you. It kind of matches my background, almost like a mermaidish look. That's not the look I was going for, but that's like what ended up happening when I was doing this look. I thought it was going to be like a deep dark green, like, I don't know, more fally than this, but this is not like what I thought it would be. But I still really like it. So one thing I do want to say is when you guys are doing the makeup looks or recreating them or whatever, I know like at the beginning of this, I was like, I don't really like this. Like I'm just going to kind of give up. Don't give up, because sometimes what happens is you look hideous at first. Like, you know, might not like your look yet, but that's only because you haven't put everything else on. Like for example, I put my eyes on, but my brows weren't done and my lashes weren't on. I didn't have liner on, and I was like, I don't look that great. But once you keep like going, I feel like you look so much better by the end of the whole thing. So I kind of just kept going, like pushing through, even when I was like, I want to give up. I didn't give up. I just kept going, like, you know, Thomas the Tank Engine. And now I really like this look. So I was kind of going for, like I said, the dark green, like matching my shirt vibe, and not really my background because I have like two different backgrounds over there. But I hope you do enjoy this look. Always, every time, why, guys, like, why can't my hair just let me be great? Oh my God, always about to knock stuff over. So anyway, I'm really feeling this look, guys. I'm really feeling this look. I tried a different type of lip. I think I look pretty nice, not gonna lie. And I really hope you enjoy this. This is the second video up, I think, this week. Hopefully this will be up on Saturday. I'm gonna go and try to edit it right now. And that's really it. If you are trying to figure out like hair-wise what I'm doing here, let me just sit back a little bit. And today I have in Hairvivi, I'll put the link down below of what the heck wig this is. I don't even know. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm starting off with a clean face. Right here, you can see me dancing. I'm always doing something extra. Anyway, so I'm putting Vaseline on my lips. Last time I recorded the video, I felt like my lips were ashy. I don't know. Anyway, I'm putting this all over my lips, and now I am putting on the Makeup Revolution. I told you guys I was going to go back and get the concealer, and this one is in C12. I'm putting this all over my lid, and shout out to Yuki, because she was the one that told me basically if the colors, you want them to be more pigmented, you can actually put this concealer on. I'm going to link her channel down below. I think it's YOUKEYY. Anyway, so I'm putting this all over my lid, and I am using the Juvia's Place. I think this is the Masquerade palette. Again, everything will be down below. And I'm going in with a brown color that's very similar to my skin, going right in and putting that into the crease. And then the next thing you're going to see me do is I'm going to pick up another shade from that same palette. It's like a brick red shade. Again, the exact name of the shades will be put into the, what is this called? Description bar down below. So right here I just picked up a red shade from that same palette, and I am just going to blend that into my crease, a little bit above my crease. And now I'm going in with a brown shade, and I'm actually blending that into the outer V, and then I'm going to go again into my crease and just deepen up my crease color. So I went back into the palette and I got, actually this is another Juvia's Place palette. I picked up an orange color. I forgot the name of this. Again, it's going to be down below. But basically I'm putting this above my crease, and now I am going to look for my Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm putting this back on my lids. Again, this is a makeup tip I got from Yuki. For cutting your crease, you kind of have to look up, and for some reason, I guess that's really all I can do. My eyes won't go any higher than that. So now I'm about to basically pat this out and begin cutting my crease with the concealer. This is again going to make my colors stand out, and this green that I'm using from that palette is going to actually be extremely pigmented once I put it on. I'm just going back into my crease and just deepening up that, I guess it's like a, I said a burgundy, but I guess it's like a brownish color, like a dark brown. I'm just deepening up my crease. And now I'm about to begin putting on the green from the Juvia's Place palette. And right here, I'm patting it on my lid, and then I'm kind of like sliding it across my lid at the same time. I was trying to figure out what the best color payoff was, so I just did both. And I think actually the sliding did better for some reason. Just sliding it across my lid or gliding it across my lid. Yeah, so I'm just patting this all over my lid. So here you just here you just see me going in with a shader brush, and oh my gosh, I can't talk. Shader brush, and going into my crease and using that brown color, picking up that brown color and just cutting my crease with that color. So off camera, I put on liner and lashes, and now I am using some primer and just priming my face. Haven't used primer in a while. I didn't actually use it in my last video. Again, I felt like my last video was a little bit rusty. And I need to do like a exfoliant on my face because right now my nose is feeling like super bumpy. Anyway, moving on. So right here you can see me putting on concealer. Again, this is the Makeup Revolution, but this color is actually C13, which is closer to my normal shade. That face, that confused face, is because I felt it tingling under my left eye, and I got a little bit scared because I don't normally have like any type of skin reactions to like makeup products. And now you can see me just blending it out. This is a body blender. Yeah, it's a body blender from Real Techniques. It's really soft, and I actually really like it. I like it better than the Beauty Blender, actually. And now I'm going back in with my Peach Perfect setting powder. I like this because of the smell, and then I don't like this because of the ash. And I found out that basically this Fenty Beauty matchstick, it's a cream to powder matchstick. That's why I felt so dry last time. It makes so much sense now. Anyway, I put a little bit of setting spray on my brush, and now I am just blending in my face with the Fenty Beauty products. And here I am putting on some blush. Now this is like the e.l.f. blush palette, and it's supposed to be for dark skin, and for some reason I felt like it made my cheeks ashy. Anyway, I am contouring my nose right now, and I am using my Queen CoverGirl collection in Ebony Bronze, I believe it is. And again, putting more Vaseline on my lips so they don't get dry. And I am going in with a brown lip liner pencil and lining my lips. And I'm using a new color. I've never used this before. It's, I think from, oh my gosh, I think it's L'Oreal Infallible. And it's like a chocolatey brown, and it smells like chocolate. It's amazing. So I put this all over my lips, and I had to get used to it because I'm not used to wearing like this cool tone color. So what I did was, after I did that, I put on NYX Tiramisu. It's like a butter gloss. Yeah, it's a butter gloss on top of it. So that's it for this look, and right now I'm just putting on the eyebrow like gel to make my eyebrows stay in place. And once I did that, I was like, yes to my brows. They looked good. All right, so I sprayed myself with some setting spray, and now I am taking my hair down, and I am pretty much done. Just playing with my hair, trying to figure out what's the best look. And that's it, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.